Hello, boys and girls. Mrs. Hughes here. I'm going to talk with you today about some special words that all year we're going to call power words. These are words from our stories that are important to understand so you can better understand the story. And it's important to try to use these words in your everyday life when you're at the house or here at school. So yesterday I read to you a Squiggly story. And in this story are 3 power words. And we're going to talk about them very quickly. And once we've talked about these words, I want you to talk about them with your families at home, okay? The first word is the word idea. Now you say it. Idea. Good work. Thanks. Well, when you have an idea, that means you have a thought about what to do. My friend in this picture right here has an idea about a game to play. And in our story, a Squiggly story, our character here, he had an idea about a story to write. Do you remember what that idea was? His sister kind of helped him. Yeah, it was a story about him and his sister playing soccer on the beach, and then things happened, right? That was his idea. All right. So, have you ever had an idea before? I hope you've had lots of ideas. The next power word is stuck. Now you say it. Stuck. Do you know what the word stuck means? All right. When you are stuck, that means you can't think of what to do next. And there are different meanings for the word stuck. Sometimes you get your foot stuck in something, but that's not the meaning that we're using in our story for the week. When he gets stuck in this story, that means he can't think of what to do next. The boy in our picture right here, he's stuck. How do you think he's stuck? He's playing a game. And this game is called chess. And he doesn't know what move to make next. So he's stuck. He doesn't know what to do next. All right. Our last power word for our story this story is offer. Now you say it. Offer. Good job. Do you know what the word offer means? Okay. When you offer something to someone, you let him or her have it. So in this picture right here is a little kid's hand and some cherries. I love cherries. And he's offering the cherries to you. So that means you can take these and say thank you because he offered them to you. In the story, a Squiggly story, the little boy and his classmates are trying to help him get unstuck, and they offer him some ideas of what he could use as his ending of his story. So they offered him some ideas, and he was free to use them if he wanted to, but he didn't. He ended up using his own ideas, right? So our 3 power words this week: idea, stuck, and offer. Thanks, guys. See you later.